Hai guys, konten kali ini saya akan menerangkan bahwa di tempat saya, di kediaman saya akan dipasang pipa atau pipeline natural gas atau gas alam yang selama ini untuk menggantikan posisi LPG. Tapi sebelumnya satu langkah yang harus saya penuhi dulu, yaitu kita harus membayar ke gas kota sebesar 1.650.000 or 1.650.000 Indonesian rupiah. So setelah itu baru bisa diproses. Kita beli, tetapi sebelum saya lanjutkan untuk pemasangan piping lainnya, ada baik juga saya akan memberikan data pendukung lainnya. Itu saya akan jelaskan dulu suatu pencerahan, yaitu beda antara natural gas dengan LPG. Sumber kita dari Wikipedia. Oke guys, pada pencerahan ini saya akan jelaskan LPG itu liquefied petroleum gas, ya. LPG yang kita selalu beli, selalu sebut itu namanya, tetapi itu singkatan liquefied petroleum gas atau terjemahannya gas bumi yang dicairkan, ya. Komposisinya 44% propan atau C3H8, 50% butan, C4H10, 2%-nya pentan. Nah, ini artinya 98% komposisi dari LPG itu adalah propan dan butan yang nilai bakarnya cukup tinggi. Itu yang dipadatkan ada di dalam botol LPG, ya, itu. Oke, saya tidak akan meneruskan tentang itu lagi. Kemudian sekarang kita akan melihat komposisi gas alam, ya. Oke, sekarang natural gas atau gas alam itu sumber gas alam ini adalah dari ladang minyak ataupun daripada sumur minyak atau sumur minyak atau sumur gas. Sebelum dialirkan ke konsumen sudah melalui pemurnian dulu sebelum dimasukkan pipa. Komposisinya gas alam itu metana, ya, C4, CH4 itu 80-90% yang ada di sini. Kemudian ada C2 etan 15%. Kemudian propan dengan butannya hanya kecil dari 5%. Padahal itu tadi yang jadi bakar. Selanjutnya seperti yang kita tadi, nilai bakar metana itu lebih rendah daripada propan dan butan, ya, metana itu. Sedangkan di gas alam itu kan 90% itu adalah metan, sehingga si api birunya gas alam itu adalah metan. Kalori bakarnya rendah daripada propan dan butan. Sudah jelas ya sekarang bedanya, sehingga untuk memasak atau cooking yang sama maka volume atau massa gas alam diperlukan lebih. Nah, itu dia beda antara LPG dengan gas alam, di mana sekarang masyarakat kebanyakan tidak mengetahui. Ini sedikit pencerahan dari saya. Okay, they digging a whole line to immerse the pipeline from the header of gas or natural gas beside the street. So they're digging from the header into the gas metering. So this kan buat lubang, memotong jalan dari header gas di seberang jalan sehingga nanti untuk sampai ke gas metering di tempat saya. Inilah cara dia untuk bekerja aman supaya tidak dilindas mobil. It's not disturbed by vehicle. Okay. Okay guys, now what they doing, the workers is now the installation of the gas metering, natural gas metering. They connect the pipeline to the gas metering pipe. Now apa yang dilakukan itu menghubungkan antara gas line gas dari seberang jalan tadi sehingga ke metering gas. Nah, di sini di metering gas akan kelihatan bahwa ini sisi upstream, sisi hulu daripada meteran. So this upstream of the metering gas metering system. Jadi dia sudah di connect, tuh kelihatan dia mengerjakan connection. Yap, okay. They settle up the pipe for metering. Okay, they stand up the metering there on the wall. So now, okay. After that, now sekarang juga dia ada pipa pipeline downstream of metering. Downstream. Jadi di sisi hulu, di hilir ada metering system yang untuk masuk ke rumah. Nah, itu position of metering already marked by the company. So ini upstream and downstream they connect the line was the special pipeline. So this is the image of the metering system. Okay, now this is the class of the natural gas line, class 500. Okay, then ASO 9000 is the. Okay guys, now I would like to show you guys. Saya melihat kepada Anda bahwa sekarang pemasangan line pipeline installation indoor, yaitu di indoor itu setelah di downstream metering system, gas metering. So now they install the line. So they just clamping to the wall. So it is what they're doing now. Okay, we can see what they're doing in this. Okay, nah saya akan lihatkan kepada Anda bahwa setelah tadi metering, sekarang line yang tadi, yang pipe yang berstandar ISO 9000, itu standar nasional Indonesia. Now dia memasang dari downstream meteran sampai ke kompor, from the gas metering system until the natural gas stove in the kitchen. Okay, now so mari tetap ikuti continue watching for this system. Is exactly true. Okay, true. I would like to do what they're doing. Okay. So now see, they climb up to the top side of the wall. So they try to climb it. So it safely ask them to works to do it good. So that's what they're doing now. So see you now. After that, inside the wall, inside the indoor side. Okay, inside. Okay, di dinding, dia pasang di dinding saya di dalam rumah dari meteran. Okay, now is continue. Saya teruskan mengikuti pekerjaan line up, pemasangan line natural gas. Okay, indoor side. See what they're doing now. It's very safe. Okay, now what they work. Okay, see the installation on the top side of the wall. So this is see this is the last. Now is from the metering until here on the top side of the wall is complete here, and they turn down dari sana, dari ujung tadi sampai di sini titik akhirnya, dan dia turunkan. Saya akan lihatkan dia line ini di sini turun. Jadi tidak ada pemotongan ya, dari metering system sampai ke kompor tidak ada yang dipotong. Ini untuk sistem baru 2021. Tidak sebelumnya pakai pipa steel, dan sekarang tidak dia tidak pakai pipe steel, sekarang pakai plastic, or we call paper line. So where the standard ISO 9000 of Indonesia. Now they try digging hole on the wall, so to connect from outside of the wall to the gas stove, ke kompor di dalam. Oke, sekarang kita lihat apa yang dilakukan. Dia akan kelihatan dia akan memasangkan satu stop valve here. Nah, jadi di downstream, di upstream metering, they have one stop valve, and then after that here inside, you get into the stove, into the kompor gas, they also they put one stop valve, the yellow valve. This is for practice. What they're doing now, they're clamping the connector to the hose. Okay, now it's very strong actually. Okay, now it's very strong what they do now. Okay, so this is complete from downstream metering until here. Next what you're doing now, they want to connect the line. Okay, they connecting the from the yellow stop valve to the heater pipeline to the natural gas stove. Jadi dari yang valve kuning tadi ada satu stop valve, sekarang dia connect ke selang gas, kompor gas. Ya, di sini dia sedang memasangnya. Oke. Sebenarnya ini satu pengaman bisa ditutup kalau kapan kita pergi untuk lama meninggalkan rumah, bisa ditutup seluruhnya ini. Tapi memang pengamannya selalu dibuka dan tutup. Tapi takutnya nanti biasanya kalau dull. So it slows if we continue open close. But actually it's put like that. Okay. So now is lock the still tightening. It's tightening that. Okay. The tightening. Tightening connection. Okay. Now masih melanjutkan mengencangkan. Yes. Oke, saya melanjutkan pengencangan, kemudian datang seorang tenaga lagi membantu. Kelihatannya untuk mulai set up the natural gas, the stove from the LPG to the natural gas. So this is different actually. Actually there is not anyone they're changing, but only the connection. What they're doing now, they try to set up this. They're adjusting the sprayer inside. Sprayer is the hole much more bigger because the natural gas pressure is very low, only 0.01 gas line downstream metering. Before this, we used for LPG. The LPG pressure, LPG requirement tank is about 3 kilogram per centimeter. So this is what they're doing now. They're adjusting sprayer until match for the natural gas. Okay, adjusting the sprayer size so that it is suitable for natural gas. What is what you're doing? Okay. Okay, now what they're doing now is still work. They still work in terms of the gas line. Okay, settle up the still work now. Okay, what they're doing? Okay, oh my God. Okay, it's slow. Okay, they continue. Oh, it's not yet. They're still work, something to readjust, maybe air or natural gas sprayer. They combine between air. You can mixing air and the gas here before they come to the burner. Okay, before burner can burn. Okay, so now they still continue adjusting, set up, test up the natural gas stove. Okay, now what they're doing. I'm still waiting, look and see. Saya menunggu apa yang akan dilakukan. Actually, okay, they're still adjusting. Sprayer, we call it spuyer, spuyer Indonesian set, sprayer. Okay, look, okay. It's still working now. Okay, they're still adjusting. Okay, now what they're doing, they almost finishing the work. Okay, now they still continue adjusting. They set up. Oh my God, my goodness, it's okay now. You can see the burner is burned. The shape burner with the oh my God, not that. Still, they set up on another, because the burner is two. We have two burners here. The stove is brand Rinnai. They have two burner. Okay, now they still continue working. Oh, another one is okay. It look like still not too good. Continue adjusting. Okay, they continue adjusting. Okay, now one is okay. We can see now blue fire of methane is burn, missing a burn multiplier now. Okay, we continue have look. It is almost okay. Oh, it's a blue fire on. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, it's okay. They're telling the air. Okay, air. The mixing gas and air and the spuyer and the sprayer. I mean, on the sprayer. So it's okay now. Okay, now it's okay. Yep. Okay. Oh, it's okay now. It's successfully. Now so it now finished now. Okay, the stove already burning with the blue fire. Thank you.